Let me tell you about this girl, baby I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. See, we be making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burning. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing. What I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I can't get high off your love, I don't know how to do it. Brown sugar, I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Johnsen. Brown sugar, babe, I get high off of love, don't know how to behave. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Story goes, brown sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for my 9 shit swirl, but I think I'm here to solo, hold my so low. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hear it. Brown sugar, babe, I get high off of love, don't know how to behave. Yeah.